All right, folks, tonight we're diving into the wacky world of legal systems. Buckle up, because it's more diverse than a bag of international gummy bears and twice as chewy to understand. We've got countries with laws based on ancient scrolls, others where a judge's past ruling is basically gospel, and some places where tradition holds more weight than any written law. The point is, the way we settle disputes and keep society from descending into chaos isn't one size fits all. We're talking about 5 main types of legal systems: civil law, common law, religious law, customary law, and the Frankenstein's monster of the bunch, hybrid systems. Plus, knowing the rules of the game, even in a foreign land, can be pretty handy. Let's kick things off with civil law, shall we? Imagine a world where laws are like IKEA furniture. They come in a neat, pre-assembled package known as a civil code. This code, my friends, is the holy grail, the rule book, the be-all and end-all of legal matters. This system traces its roots back to ancient Rome, and those Romans, let me tell you, they loved their rules. They wrote them down, organized them, and voila, the Justinian Code was born.
Countries like France, Germany, and Japan all subscribe to this codified approach. In these places, judges play a more active role in legal proceedings. The code, like a strict but fair kindergarten teacher, sets the boundaries, and judges gotta play within those lines.
Now let's hop across the pond to the land of common law, where things get a little more improvisational. Imagine a legal system where judges are less like referees and more like jazz musicians, riffing off previous decisions to create new legal melodies. That's common law in a nutshell.
This system, my friends, is all about precedent. In common law, past rulings by higher courts carry serious weight, shaping how similar cases are decided in the future. Countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia are all about that common law life. In these places, judges don't just interpret the law, they actively shape it through their decisions. Common law is a flexible beast, adapting to new situations and societal changes.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the realm of religious law, where faith and jurisprudence collide.
In these systems, laws are deeply intertwined with religious beliefs, often derived from sacred texts or interpretations thereof. One of the most well-known examples is Islamic law, or Sharia, which governs various aspects of life for Muslims worldwide. It's based on the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and the teachings and practices of the Prophet Muhammad. Sharia covers everything from prayer and fasting to family matters, financial transactions, and even criminal justice.
But it's not just Islam. Other religions have also influenced legal systems. Canon law, for instance, governs the Catholic Church, while Jewish law, or halakha, guides the lives of observant Jews. Let's venture now into the heart of tradition with customary law, where the wisdom of generations past dictates the rules of the game.
These are the unwritten laws passed down through generations, shaping social norms and resolving disputes. Imagine a legal system where the village elders, the keepers of ancient customs, hold court under a sacred tree, their decisions based on centuries of tradition. That's customary law in action.
From the indigenous communities of the Americas to the tribes of Africa and the islands of the Pacific, customary law plays a vital role in regulating social life.
But here's the catch: customary law faces challenges in a rapidly changing world.
Hybrid legal systems in action.
Hybrid legal systems, as the name suggests, combine elements from different legal traditions. These systems emerge in countries with diverse cultural and historical influences, creating a unique blend of laws. For instance, South Africa's legal system incorporates aspects of Roman Dutch law, English common law, and indigenous customary law.
In these hybrid systems, you might find a civil law approach to commercial transactions, a common law method for criminal justice, and customary law guiding family matters.
However, managing such a system can be complex. Harmonizing different legal principles and ensuring consistency in their application requires careful balancing and often innovative legal solutions. But when done right, hybrid legal systems can offer a rich tapestry of justice, reflecting the multifaceted nature of the societies they serve.